Hello, it's Jim. In this video, I'm going to cover quickly. I won't make it too long, but it's an update. We've got the rotator in the Azure network set up. There's a couple of little tweaks that I'm coding, but it's good to go. It's no problem. And it's the power of a rotator. A few people have said, "What's this about?" And I said, the power of a rotator is you can manage your links perfectly. And I will in this video. I'm going to show you how to set up your rotator and how to add links into your rotator. But the power of a rotator it's very powerful. I've always used rotators. Let's just say below this video, I'll put a rotator link. Okay, and now I'll post that rotator link all over the place. Traffic exchanges, Facebook, Twitter, all social medias, whatever. So I'm going to post that one URL all over the place. Now, instead of me having to go to all of those places to change what I've posted into the system, like I might 5 traffic exchanges, but I post that one rotator link in all 5 traffic exchanges, and then I'm done for the traffic exchanges as far as what sites is in that link. And then I go over to the rotator, just an example. So this rotator link, I'll give you, this is just one example. This rotator link, I'll put that all over the place. Okay. And then today I'm gonna, or this week I'm gonna promote. So I'll show you how to add URLs into that rotator link in a second. But for this instant, I've added 4 links in that rotator. So let's say I've added a network traffic exchange example. I've added that rotator and the traffic exchange. I don't have to add 4 sites in the traffic exchange. I just add that one rotator link. And then from your back office at Azure Network, you can manage that link. What's in all of the, I think you get what I mean. Eh? And how many times have we posted links all over the place in emails and traffic exchanges and hundreds of places, and then the project disappears. We'll have to start over again. But now you don't have to start all over again. You just have to go to your URL rotator. That's taken care of because that's still valid on all the places that you posted it. And then from here, you can add links, pages in that rotator, or delete pages in that rotator. So let's just say one of your projects in your rotator goes down. You just delete it from your rotator and stick something else in there. You don't have to go to all the places that you couldn't even remember. I promise you. You try and remember, where did you post all of your links? You'll not remember. I guarantee it. So that's just one example. So it's very, very powerful. And to add a rotator, it's very simple. Log into Azure Network and then go to, well, we'll start from the dashboard. We'll start right from the beginning. So you go to your dashboard. You have to be logged in. So log in. And then once you've logged in, you'll see at the top I've added some tool icons. Just go over there, link rotator. It'll take you to your link rotator page on your account. And you'll see nothing because you haven't added one. Or if you have, you'll see your rotators. But to add a rotator, you just click here to create a new rotator, create new. You see I've got number 14. I'm going to click create new. And now I'll scroll down and now I've got number 16. So somebody in the middle's took one. 15's gone. So that one, I've just added that one. Now, I've added a rotator, but I haven't added any pages into the rotator yet. Okay, so at the minute I've got 7, 8, 13, 14, and 16, but I haven't added anything to them. And for this example, we'll go. I've got rotator 1, rotator 3. Somebody nabbed rotator 2. I don't know who that was, but I was hoping to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that didn't happen. I launched it, and then literally within a couple of seconds, I thought, "Oh God, I've missed the boat." What I should have done is made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then told everybody. But it is what it is. So rotator 1 example. So we'll take a link. We'll just take a link for ads and media. Okay, I'll just take this link, ads and media. I'll copy that link, and I'll go to where's my chat? I've got that many pages open. Traffic exchange, ads and network. There we go. No, that's not right. Hang on, I've lost it. Where is it? There it is. So I've go over once I've got my rotator page. I'll go over there, add a website. Okay, so I'll add the website. Make sure you delete that little bit and paste the website. So that's the website I want to add. Do I want to limit the hits? And I say no, just keep it as it is. Now, where do you want that URL to go to? Which rotator? So I'm going to say here I want to put that in rotator number 1. Okay, and then add to your URL to the rotator. So now you see my rotator number 1, which is this one. You'll see there ads and media is in. It hasn't had any hits yet because I've just added it. These are added yesterday. We just launched it yesterday, so it's doing okay as far as hits goes. But when someone goes, so this is now my rotator link for those 4 projects. So when I go over here, I'll just copy the link, and I'll go to a new page just to show you. If you look at the URL at the top, you see there rotator ID number 1, and I'll click enter, and it'll show now that's the first page. If I click refresh, it'll rotate over those 4 pages what I've added into that rotator. There's a lot of tools, features, which is very, very useful as well. So we'll just go back, you get the idea. And at the very top of your rotator page, and this is one of the tweaks I will have to be doing. At the minute, free members who use our rotator, that rotator banner at the top, and your links for your ads and network is embedded in this banner. Okay, so it's another way it's a win-win. It's if you want to if you want to get referrals into your network, that banner shows up on all of your surf pages, all your pages on your on your rotator, excuse me. But one thing I will be doing, and we're busy with it now. It's not a major change, but I want an option for at the minute free members. That banner's there. We've got to get something out of it as far as a cross promotion. But your referral links in as free member, your referral links for the ads and networks in your banner at the top. But I want the option for pro members to either have it on the top or not have it on the top, because the pro members paid $47. It's a one-time $47, but that's just one of the tools extra in the network. I want the option for a pro member to be able to allow that banner or not allow that banner. I've asked the programmer to code it, so I should have that maybe on Monday. I should have that updated. But as is, you've got no option. It's literally there. But we will have an option to show or not show for pro members. Okay, but I'm going to leave mine on because I want to cross promote, and every time I've put that example, that rotator link there, I've put it on Easy Hits for You, Ads and Network Traffic Exchange, Infinity Traffic Boost Exchange. Put it in Facebook posts. I've put it in emails already, and every time someone clicks that banner, they'll see one of those pages in my rotator in rotation, but they'll also see that banner at the top for my ads and network links embedded in there. So I'm going to leave it, to be honest. But another feature example, just give you a few examples in this video. Let's just say this week I want to promote heavy ads on XRP. Just an example. Just go to your rotator and you'll see there's 4 URLs, but they're all active. You see there, active. Let's just say I'm going to hit ads on XRP this week. Now, I don't have to go around all of the places, like I said before, to change all the URLs. I just have to go to my rotator and I'll pause the example. I've got 4 links in there. I'm not going to pause it, but I can say I'll pause one just to show you. So ads and media, I'm going to click pause. So now you'll see there, status, paused. So that link's still valid everywhere, remember? But they'll only show 1, 2, 3, 4 links. Now I might want to pause ads and Tron. Pause. So now that rotator has only got 3 links active. Remember, I sound like a parrot, but I haven't changed any links anywhere around it. Those still link that rotator link's still valid everywhere. But you're playing and you're managing that rotator link from your back office of your network. You don't underestimate the power of it. Now, none of these projects are going to disappear because we own them and we host them. I'm just going to activate them back because I don't want to pause them. But let's just say, again, another example. Activate. I'll just activate that one. I want them activated. So this one, just I'll give you an example there. ID3. So I missed ID2, but I got ID3. So now I've posted that all over the place, and I'm just using one link. This is another example. I'm using one URL in that rotator. So I've added this adzenetwork.com to that rotator link. And what that does is it promotes Ads and Network. I'll quickly click the link. So it only shows that page, because that's the only one URL in that rotator. But it also shows me banner at the top. Okay. Now, again, this is an example. I think it's a bit senseless from. I might leave it, and just post that URL ID3 all over the place. And what again, another powerful feature of this scenario number 2. Let's just say you've posted this all over the place and you've got this hot new project, what's fantastic, and it's going to make you gazillion dollars, and it's going to do everything what everybody says it should do or shouldn't do, and blah, blah, blah. And then 2 weeks later, it's gone. And you've posted all those links all over the place. And now when someone clicks those links, they're going to take them to nowhere because the project went down. But again, scenario number 2, you say, damn it, this project, that's not going down because that's us. But, whatever that hot project was, it's gone. Well, now what do I do? Find a new hot project. And then you go over here, website URL, put the hot project in there, your new one, and add it to your rotator ID number 3. So you can put, I'll just show you a hot project, just an example. That's not going to work, but you put in the URL for your new hot project and you add it to rotator number 3, ID3, which is So now you see ID3. Now I'm going to make that. I'm going to pause that because I don't want anybody to get dead links. But you see, then I've got this new hot project in this link to that rotator link. And I'll just delete that one because that project it hasn't gone, But you know what I mean. The last hot project's disappeared, and it's dead. It's a dead link. So you don't want it in your rotator anymore. You don't want it attached to that. So you just delete it. Add your new hot project, activate it, delete the old one. And like I said, link management. We've been in this scenario 100 times. We've been running for 8 years, I think. We've been in this scenario 100 times. Hot project comes in, posted all over the place, traffic exchanges, banners, God knows where, and then the project's gone. Oh God, now what do I do? I have to search all those dead links. Use a rotator link. Perfect. Right, I'll not waffle on. Get in there, join Ads Network. It's free to join. You can use this tool for free. I will quickly cover network chat. I will do a separate video. So stay tuned. Later on, I'll do a separate video. Network chat is active. You just click the network chat banner, and you'll see there. It'll take you to the Ads on Network chat box. We've just set this up. We've got private messages activated over there. Well, setting up the groups. But when you join, you'll have to. You'll see the chat. As an example, you'll see this chat box. But at the very bottom, you'll see here you have. But to join the chat or to post in the chat box, you'll need to join it. So just click the button. Go through the motions, join it. You only have to join it one time. But it's a separate database. It's not the same username as Ads and Network. We've kept them apart. Some want to join Ads and Network, some want to join Ads and Chat without joining the other. So we don't want to have a fixed database. So you just join it. You can use the same username and password. It's up to you. But you'll still need to join it the first time. Confirm your email. And then once you've done that, you'll see the groups. We've got Ads and Network Chat. So you've got Ads and Network chat box, and in that chat box you've got threads. So at the minute we've got 3 threads: Ads and Network. So anything to do with Ads and Network, I'll go on that thread. Anything to do with Ads and XRP, I'll go on that thread. Anything to do with Ads and Tron, I'll go on that thread. We've got a separate chat box for Team Builder BTC. So you've got Ads and Network chat box, Team Builder BTC chat box. And then, like I said, we will be adding a thread here, post what you like thread. So those chat boxes will keep clean and will keep relevant to the topic. But we're going to put a chat box thread for free for all. Do what you want in it. No pornographic, no drugs and what have you. But you get the picture. So that'll be post what you want in there. And even if someone hasn't joined the chat box, if they're viewing it, if they click the link chat box anywhere all over the projects, they're going to see your posts. So it's a good way of extra little bit of advertising. But definitely join. And then you can see here members were active. So this is the internet. You can leave the chat boxes when you go over here, leave room, or you can just stay in them. You'll see here the users. We're just literally 2 days into testing. It's perfect. It's working smashing. In your private message members. So over here you'll see a grey envelope. And that grey envelope is where your private messages between your members, member to member. And go over here, you can see just an example of how I want to private message Paul. I'll just click that and I'll say start chat. And that when I start a chat, it'll be a private message between me and Paul. Just an example. It's not in the public chat rooms. And you'll see all your private messages in your grey envelope icon over there. So that's it's another good feature. Text message, voice messages we've activated. Get in there, have a play around. But again, you can join the chat box. Adds in network chat space. But you still need to join the individual chat groups. But it's doing smashing. Like I said, it's very early doors. But I have linked them chat boxes in all of the network sites. So if you go to ads in media, you go to ads in network, you go to ads in XRP, you get the picture. I'm literally every platform. If you go to ads in network example, you'll see there network chat dashboard. Network chat. It's linked. We're going to link it all over the place. So anybody who needs any help, and this is one of the main purposes, anybody who needs any help in the project, they might be on ads in XRP example. They might have never heard of the early birds. They've never heard of the ads in network, but then they've joined ads in XRP example, and they need some help in ads in XRP. There's a link, network chat, and it'll take them direct to the chat box for ads in the thread for ads in XRP. You see where I'm going? It's a streamline, and it'll keep us safe as well, because I've said it in my previous videos. We could wake up one morning. It happened to one of our members, Terry. He woke up one day, Facebook blocked him, and he was in solitude. He was in jail, solitary confinement. Nobody could get a hold of him. He couldn't get a hold of anybody. Now we've got a safe zone. Okay, right. Stop waffling. Enjoy the update. Get over. Have a play around. Cheers.